In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable rotating IP in NordVPN. So unfortunately, NordVPN doesn't have like a built-in feature that automatically rotates your IP address at a set time, but there are a few things that you still are able to do that will effectively get the job done. So for the first order of business is you want to reconnect to get a new IP. So to do that, you're typically able to select over here where it says secure my connection. And then you're able to go ahead and use this connection for however long you need. But then let's say, for example, in 30 minutes, you want a new IP. What you're able to do is you're able to press on these three buttons. And this time you're able to select on a switch location. So here is how it does look like. And you guys have multiple different options. So number one is you can connect to like a different city. So let's say you're using NordVPN in the United States and you want to connect to a different city. That is absolutely something you're able to go ahead and do. You can connect to like Texas, Houston, or whatever. And what you could also do is you can go ahead and select on reconnect by itself. And that is automatically going to assign you a new IP address right over here. So that is also another thing that you're able to do. It's kind of weird. And it kind of doesn't make sense how NordVPN doesn't have a feature like that. But NordVPN really is made for like the more casual internet goers. So that's why it doesn't necessarily have that feature. But you still are effectively able to achieve the same thing using this method in this video. Granted, it is going to be a little bit more manual. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.